All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday to each and every one of you, and happy week 2 of distance learning. Today is the 30th of March. Welcome to it. My good things for today are week 2 of distance learning, spending time with Greta and Georgia and Mrs. Bruner. I'm really enjoying that. And the fact that we're making this work, and as a school and a community and a nation, people I think are listening and staying home, and hopefully soon we'll see that fewer people are getting sick. So those are my good things. Please share your own good things on the attendance form that I'll be sending out to you at 8 o'clock this morning. And I'll share some of your good things in tomorrow's screencast. So we're opening up today on our Google site. Remember that this has lots of resources for you. If you want to make an appointment with me, you can do that. If you want to send me an email, you can do that. I'm probably going to delete this attendance button down here at the very bottom, because I've kind of started doing that just through Google Classroom, and I probably think I have an old one linked there anyway, so I'll get rid of that. So, and remember, there's also a course section with other things on it as well. And you can also get these screencasts here, right? They're linked right down here. There's my first one, second one, and everything for last week. And I'll be putting today's up there next. So that's that Google site. Please use it. It's kind of our home base for everything. Here is this week's assignment guide. Today is the 30th. I've got a link to the Google site right below there. I've added that. And for today, I want you to follow this link here. It'll take you actually to my haiku page. I'm sorry, no, it won't take you to my haiku page. It will take you to a link that has a bunch of Renaissance and Reformation resources. And since today is a social studies day, I want you to go to that link and click on 2 of the videos there. I checked all of these videos last night. The links should work. They should all be approved for Tustin Unified. If they don't, shoot me an email, and I'll be monitoring that today, and I'll go in and approve it again. But as of last night, every link here, every link but one worked. One of them, it wasn't approved for TUSD. It was just a bad link. So anyway, don't go to this far down on the page, because starting with this one right here, these are Reformation videos. So we want to stick with the Renaissance. The Reformation will be in a chapter or 2. But choose 2 of these videos. Some of them are pretty short. Some of them are like over 40 minutes. But choose the 2 of them that look exciting or interesting to you. And I want you to write out 10 questions. I'm not going to require you to share those questions today, but I will be requiring you to share them out on Thursday. I haven't exactly decided how we'll share them out on on Wednesday. Wednesday is our next social studies day. So we'll be sharing them out on Wednesday in some way. I haven't decided exactly how, but be ready, do your questions today. And that's that. Just a reminder, my haiku page right here. There are 2 of them actually. This would be the public one. But if that link in the assignment guide doesn't work or whatever, you can very easily go to this link that I've made active, right? Active now. This is our Renaissance page. And to get to your textbook, first of all, is right there. I'll show that to you on Wednesday. There's Walking Jeopardy, and the link that we were just at is this one right here, a great Renaissance and Reformation resource right here. So if that first link doesn't work, you can use that one as well. Remember to fill out the attendance form. I'll be sending that to you on Google Classroom. You'll get it at 8 o'clock. There'll be a copy of the assignment guide there with the attendance link and a link to this video. Maybe I'll throw in a link. I'll throw in this Renaissance link as well. But anyway, that is it for today. I hope everybody is still well. I changed up the attendance form a little bit. Not anything exciting, but you'll see that when you do attendance. And please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. And stay well, stay at home. Goodbye.